Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money with YouTube Shorts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into two powerful strategies that can help you grow fast, build an audience, and make money online. Let's get into it. First up, we have what I like to call the viral giveaway strategy. This is where you post exciting, high-energy shorts, asking viewers to like, comment, and share for a chance to win a prize. Sounds familiar, right? It's exactly what the popular YouTube channel, Make It Slush, did to skyrocket to over 1 million subscribers. Make It Slush gives away fun products like gadgets, or even cash prizes. Their viewers just need to engage with the video, subscribe, like, comment, and share to enter. This simple formula causes their videos to go viral fast. Now here's the catch. With this strategy, you'll often see a huge spike in views when your video drops, but this engagement doesn't always stick around. It's super effective in getting a lot of views and subscribers quickly, but the audience can lose interest once the giveaway ends. So, it's great for fast growth, but you need to keep feeding the machine with new giveaways to stay relevant. So, how do you actually make money with this? Well, first, more subscribers mean higher potential ad revenue. But you'll also want to think about sponsorships. Companies love channels that can go viral overnight. Partner with brands to give away their products, and they'll pay you for the exposure. You could also sell your own merch or use affiliate links for products related to your giveaway. Imagine you give away a gaming console and include affiliate links to buy the same console in your video description. Every sale earns you commission. Easy, right? Now, if you're looking for something more sustainable with longer-lasting results, let's talk about the celebrities' news strategy. Instead of relying on giveaways, this strategy focuses on posting regular shorts about trending celebrity news. People are obsessed with celebrities, and they're always looking for the latest gossip, so you're tapping into an endless well of content. Plus, because the news is always updating, your videos stay relevant for much longer compared to giveaway content. Look at these channels. They post short, snappy updates on the latest drama, interviews, and viral moments. These shorts have a much higher retention rate because people genuinely want to stay updated. Even though they don't see the same instant viral spike as giveaways, they tend to grow steadily over time and keep their audience. So, how do you make money with this strategy? It's pretty similar to the first one. Ad revenue from YouTube is a major income stream. But with consistent viewership, you can also attract sponsors who want to be associated with your content long-term. Another huge advantage of this strategy is the potential for creating evergreen content. Some celebrity videos will continue to get views even months or years after they're posted, which means your earnings keep adding up over time. So, let's compare the two. The viral giveaway strategy is amazing for rapid growth and creating a huge surge in engagement. It's high risk, high reward. The celebrity news strategy offers more stability, with higher retention and the ability to create long-lasting content that will generate income over time. No matter which strategy you choose, there are a few key tips to keep in mind if you want to make serious money with YouTube Shorts. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your shorts. Experiment. Try both strategies to see what works best for your channel. You can even combine them. Monetize creatively. Don't just rely on ad revenue. Think about affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your own products. So, there you have it, two powerful strategies to make money with YouTube Shorts. Whether you want the viral highs of giveaways or the steady growth from celebrity news, there's a path for everyone. Which strategy are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your online presence. See you in the next one.